guys, it's Nathan Baker. Today I'm taking a road trip. Shit. I just shot my bottle lid. Gosh. I don't care. As you can see, it's currently raining. And I'm going on a road trip. Very bad. Wait. Hold on. Yeah, this is pretty crazy. Oh geez, it's starting to get bumpy.
Put the things constantly, Robert. See? And then, oh, that's north. I think you have to go more and then you can go south.
Oh god.
I don't know. If no, we just take it.
Jeez. Oh. God. I have to place it on this thing. Whoa. I had to hold the damn thing with one hand.
You always can turn around, Robert. Stop being so negative. You see? You turn around and then you can go up again. Look how beautiful it is.
Yeah, I guess so. Damn, I thought I just saw a ditch. Guess I didn't. Yeah, the rain is pretty intense.
101 south. Damn, this is so
Damn, you
neat.
can hear the rain. If you can't, then your audio is trash. Oh, God. I'm only gonna say like legitimately one hand.
Oh yeah, this is beautiful.
Crap, I just dropped my tablet and landed before you my tablet pillow thing. Oh, jeez. I forgot to zoom out. Oh yeah, this is crazy. Stop raining for a second. Ooh, it's cold. Hold on, really quickly. So guys, I decided to lay down. And I'm just gonna put the towel like
I know.
you guys can see the rain.
Yeah.
And that's something. It's filming. It's filming. It's filming. It's recording. Jeez. Oh my god, my earbuds. The earbuds. What the heck?
No, dejas todo tirado, mira, está todo en el piso.
Well, not the earbuds. Earbuds are on the floor.
Oh, I bought the bizcochitos. Ah, but they're not sweet. This one. ¿Tenés tu yogur, querés?
Oh yeah. Yes, please. Ow. Dang it, I just hit my head so hard.
One or two? Well, one at a time.
I guess I want. Okay, never mind. The straw's bent.
I open one.
This is technically the best road trip ever. Ah, jeez. You think I'm wearing a seatbelt? I totally am wearing a seatbelt. Trailers. This animal. Oh, strawberry. guess I'm just gonna sit back and ignore the rain. Oh, it was zoomed in. I think it's a little 1.5 maybe. So warm.
You want more?
Rain like fucking crazy right now. It's raining like crazy. That's just a pic from the channel. I'm not going to say it that way. I'm just going to say that one. Oh yeah, those are great. Oh, I can't wait to get home and post this. Currently I'm on the way in the truck. Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah, I hear those. I just hear the rain crashing back behind me. Oh, jeez. Oh, don't fall over. Oh, God. I do not know what I'm going to say. I'm just going to let you guys look at the rain. It's been 6 minutes. Wait, no, it's soon going to be 7 minutes since the video is recorded. Yes, it's been 7 minutes. This video is going to be 7 minutes long. Unless I want to make it longer. I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt. I'm wearing a Van short sleeve shirt. It's Adidas pants with the Gap hoodie, and my shoes are off. I'm going to take off the blankets because I'm pretty warm. Blankets be gone. God dang it! I'm just rustling this freaking blanket to get it off of me. Because the rain is pretty crazy right now. Let me grab my tablet stand thing with Bob. Yay. Holy crap, I want to take a look at the windshield. Yo, this is crazy. Yes, we were able to see your hand. My two people want to say hi to YouTube.
Hey everybody.
Hello.
Say what's up, viewers.
What's up?
We're going on this crazy ass car trip. And hopefully my dad doesn't slam the brake. I'm falling over. Uh-oh. I see a white car. Isn't that just beautiful? Oh god, looks like these houses are gonna get flooded pretty easily. Oh yeah, there's a parking lot that is just flooded. Holy crap, it's foggy too, and I just realized that now.
Defroster's on. The fog outside, the mist, is why I can't see.
Oh, no wonder why it's called Sierra Mist, because you can't even see it. I mean, you can't even see through it. That's why it's called Sierra Mist. I just made the most stupidest joke ever. Oh wait, oh god. I see a black car. Let's see a view actually. Wait, that looks like a Hummer. Does it? Yeah, it looks like a Hummer. Is it? Oh wait, it's one of those John Deere things probably. Okay, never mind, it's a trailer. Never mind. Holy crap, this video's been 9 minutes long. Going way back down. Okay, where did the earbuds go? Okay, they're right here. Putting you down here. Actually, no, I'm just supposed to. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the video so far. And it's been 10 minutes since this thing has been started recording. What time is it anyways? Oh, it's 5:14. What? I thought it was 4. Man, I thought it was still 4. It feels way too early. Ah, yes. Oh no. Stop. The rain stopped for a nanosecond because we went under a freaking bridge. Can you see my toes? Let me see my feet. Hopefully this video gains lots of views. So if not, I'm going to be sad. Oh yeah, and I want this video to have English subtitles too. That'd be great. Oh. What was that? I'm going to get my fat ass on. For some reason it feels like I'm about to drop my tablet. So I should probably hold on with 2 hands. Boogie Frog, get over here. Oh, okay, never mind. Lay back down, lay back down. Oh my god, I just heard my knee pop. Ooh, that hurt like an SOB. The son of a Kogi. Oh, my knee hurts. And that just freaking, oh wait, oh. Freaking fingers, I can. Oh my god, there's so much bumps right now. Hopefully I don't drop this thing. Oh god. This shit's going crazy. Yes, it stopped. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, I'm about to drop it. I need to hold it with 2 hands. Hold it with 2 hands. For some reason it feels like I'm about to fall over. I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Nathan Baker signing out. Peace.